You all remember that when it comes to signs, signs are always in their present tense. Present tense. Okay? And also, you all already know that signs are always in their singular form. So what this means is when I sign a sign like apple, for example, that is only representing a single apple. If I want to express the concept of apples with an S, I have to think about what I can do. And we have some options. Now, for ASL 1, we're going to cover the top 3. And then later on in ASL 2, you'll learn about the other options for pluralization. But for ASL 1, we're only going to cover these 3 here. So the very first example of how to pluralize is that we simply sign a number. So if I sign cat, the sign for cat, it's just one cat. So if I want to make that concept cats, I can sign I see 2 and then sign cat, and that becomes cats. Or dog. Okay, if I just sign the sign for dog, it's a singular dog. But if I want it to be the concept of dogs, I would have to sign I have dog 3 and use that number 3. So you can sign cat 2 or dog 3. So it doesn't matter if you produce the number before the sign or the sign before the number. Another way that we can show pluralization is that you can use what's called a quantifier. So those are signs like the sign for many, the sign for some, the sign for a few. So my son, he have many shirt. And that becomes that sign for shirt. If I want to make it shirts, I add that sign many to it. Okay, another example would be diamond, me have few. Few. Okay, and again, that becomes I have a few diamonds. Your third option is to use plural pronouns. So we have the sign for student, and then we would use that pronoun for they. Or I could use the concept of you all, or those people, or we, even that concept for we. So those are the 3 ways to pluralize and add that S in ASL 1.